A slip and slide is a quintessential summer activity that brings laughter and excitement to people of all ages. It consists of a long, narrow plastic sheet, typically set up on a gentle slope or a flat surface. Water is sprayed onto the sheet, creating a slick and slippery surface. Participants eagerly take a running start, launching themselves onto the slide with glee. As their bodies glide across the plastic, they experience a thrilling sensation of speed and a refreshing splash of water beneath them. Friends and family gather around, cheering and encouraging one another to slide farther and faster. The sound of giggles and shrieks of delight fills the air as participants twist, turn, and compete to see who can cover the greatest distance. Slip and slides provide a fantastic way to cool down on hot summer days, fostering outdoor play and creating lasting memories of fun-filled moments under the sun. Welcome! Stay connected for detailed reviews of the best slip and slides. Subscribe, like, and follow us to stay updated on the latest and greatest options. The Spring Water brand has secured an impressive 5th position in our rankings after a thorough evaluation. Both slip water slide of the slide have 2 different heights of water sprinkler to form a more interesting and exciting water curtain, come together to join this unique water carnival. 31.5-foot extra-long water slide will bring the perfect experience. The track is set up to play with score lines, kids can chase each other, have fun playing and racing on the slip-lawn water slides. Water Slides for Kids Backyard is equipped with 2 bodyboards, which can meet the sliding and competition of 2 children at the same time. Slip Kids Slides for Backyard will take you into a different water world. Dash to the end of the adult water slide. Enjoy the fun of while colliding fiercely, and the end inflatable crash pad design will ensure kids. Kids Water Slide is made of thicker and more durable high-quality PVC material with a fun shark design. Kids will love to enjoy water slides for kids for the summer cool. Together with water slides for adults to hand, there are 2 types of 3/4-inch male and female garden hose quick coupling, ground pegs and a repair kit for the summer water trip protection. Giant Water Slide is easy to place, and when not in use, the slide can be folded up and stored, taking up only a small amount of space and allowing for continued use next summer. Spring Water has secured a well-deserved 4th spot on our esteemed list of rollator walkers. It offers unique features and functionality that contribute to its recognition. The Seniors Rollator Walker from Walkmate is equipped with a thumb push button that allows for easy height adjustment. You can choose from 6 different height levels, ranging from 31.1 inch to 35.8, making it suitable for individuals with heights between 5 feet and 6.2 feet. With 8-inch front wheels featuring an anti-skid tread pattern, this rollator walker provides excellent grip and prevents slipping while walking on various terrains. The walker's aluminum construction ensures durability while keeping the weight at a manageable 17.2 pounds, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. The thick breathable seat and padded backrest offer comfort and safety during rest breaks. The dual brake system allows for speed control and a secure lock when sitting on the seat, ensuring the walker remains stationary. The anti-skid tread pattern on the wheels further enhances grip and prevents slipping between the wheels and the road. This rollator walker is designed for convenience, with the ability to maneuver through narrow spaces and easily fit into most car trunks for transportation. It also features a detachable storage bag to carry personal belongings, as well as holders for a cup, phone, cane, and umbrella, freeing up your hands. Heel Connects, a highly acclaimed brand, has secured the well-deserved 3rd position on our prestigious list of rollator walkers. This stand-up walker offers numerous features that have garnered praise. The adjustable foam armrest, ranging from 40.3 inch to 45.5, allows seniors, handicapped individuals, or those with disabilities to find a natural and comfortable position. It promotes a straight back posture, relieving painful stress on the shoulders and back, while ensuring safe walking by keeping the eyes forward. The walker frame is constructed with sturdy aluminum, prioritizing safety. The all-terrain capabilities of the walker are facilitated by large 10-inch front wheels and 8-inch solid rubber rear wheels. These wheels are suitable for various surfaces such as concrete, asphalt, wood, grass, and tiles. With 360-degree swivel and anti-skid features, the wheels provide ease of movement and enhance maneuverability. The dual braking system allows for easy application of brakes by pulling up and locks the rear wheels when sitting down by pushing down. The Rollator has an extra compact design that folds twice compared to others, making storage and transport effortless. The Rollator backrest height can be adjusted for personalized comfort, ensuring relief from back-related issues. In addition, the Rollator comes with a removable shopping bag for storing personal belongings and a cane and umbrella holder, leaving the user's hands free. Overall, the Heel Connects Rollator Walker combines functionality, convenience, and comfort, catering to the needs of individuals seeking a reliable and versatile mobility aid. Oasis Space has secured an impressive second position in our brand ranking, showcasing outstanding performance with their pneumatic rubber upright walker. Weighing only 25 pounds, this walker is easy to lift and maneuver both indoors and outdoors. It also folds easily for convenient transport and storage, allowing you to take it out for a walk in the park or wherever you desire. The Oasis Space Rollator Walker stands out with its 12-inch front pneumatic rubber tires and 10-inch rear tires. These tires are perfect for navigating various terrains, including grass, gravel, dirt, and gaps in sidewalks. The inflatable wheels provide their own shock absorption function, ensuring a smoother ride over uneven roads, while the metal frame prevents punctures. Unlike many upright walkers with narrow seats, the Oasis Space Walker features a spacious 17.7 by 9.8-inch seat. This provides ample room for comfortable seating, and with the support of a thickened, soft, and strong back belt, you can relax in utmost comfort. The pneumatic rubber Rollator Walker is not only easy to use but also comfortable on the hands. The speed can be controlled simply by squeezing, and the brakes can be locked and parked by pushing down. These walkers are versatile and can be used in various seasons, as they are suitable for both the beach in the summer, with the ability to blow air in the tires, and for winter walks without slipping. HEAO has secured the prestigious top position on our list, offering an exceptional Rollator walker that prioritizes safety, reliability, and versatility. This Rollator is designed with 4 PCS 10-inch wheels, providing smooth navigation even on rough terrain. Additionally, it features 2 powerful shock absorbers, ensuring stability and cushioning when sitting down, particularly on bumpy roads. The one-hand foldable design allows for easy passage through narrow doors or spaces. It is lightweight and portable, making it convenient to carry, transport, and store, including fitting it into the trunk of a car. If desired, the wheels can be removed to achieve a smaller size for even more compact storage. The HEAO Rollator offers 5 levels of height adjustment, ranging from 36.3 inch to 40.3 handle from the ground. This allows for customization to ensure a suitable height and avoids hunching over the walker, reducing discomfort during long walks. The Rollator structure is upgraded with premium aluminum, providing durability, while the large wheels, wider seat, and padded backrest offer comfort and support for individuals weighing up to 350 pounds, despite the Rollator itself weighing only 20 pounds. Convenience features include a large capacity storage bag, as well as a cane and cup holder, leaving your hands free during leisure time outside. Similar to a bike, the walker is equipped with easy squeeze brakes. Holding it up controls the rolling speed on ramp surfaces, while pressing it down assists with sitting down or standing up from the seat. Moreover, the anti-skid tread pattern on the wheels enhances grip and prevents slipping between the wheels and the road. Your feedback on Rollator walkers is highly valued. Please share your thoughts in the comments to help us improve our services. Thank you for actively participating in our mission.